How can I get an ID if I was born in South Africa to a foreign mother? My mother has an ID. The short answer: if your mother was not a citizen or permanent resident at the time of your birth, you qualify to be a South African citizen by birth if you have not lived anywhere else but South Africa. The whole question: I need help to get my ID. I was born in South Africa to a Mozambican mother. My mother has a South African ID, but she has been unable to register me. The long answer: if your mother was not a citizen or permanent resident at the time of your birth, you qualify to be a South African citizen by birth if you have not lived anywhere else but South Africa. You can apply for South African citizenship when you are 18. Section 4(3) of the Citizenship Act says, "A child born in the Republic of parents who are not South African citizens or who have not been admitted into the Republic for permanent residence qualifies to apply for South African citizenship upon becoming a major if your birth was not registered under the BDRA. You would first need to apply to the Department of Home Affairs for late registration of birth in order to get a birth certificate, which you need to apply for citizenship. But as many people have discovered, getting Home Affairs to register a person in late birth registration is a difficult business and can stretch out for a ridiculously long time. There is also an administrative fee to be paid to Home Affairs. Lawyers for Human Rights took his case to the Gauteng High Court, Khoza v. Minister of Home Affairs, 27 February 2023. So, the court said that his application for late birth registration should succeed. Once his late birth registration was done, he would meet the requirements for citizenship for stateless children, and he would also meet the requirements of Section 4(3) that I have quoted above. So the court said he should be given citizenship. The Constitution requires that all administrative action by the state must be procedurally fair, just and reasonable. Home Affairs has a constitutional responsibility to treat applications for citizenship in a fair, just and reasonable way. Lack of birth registration, or a birth certificate, is one of the main causes of statelessness in Southern Africa, because a birth certificate is the first legal identity issued to a child, and that provides the child with proof of two critical facts relevant to establishing their nationality: place of birth and parentage.